Are you getting the Inetc Library DLL error after the NSIS update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. While preparing the manual steps for Inetc Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Inetc Library, the Inno and NSIS Internet Download plugin. It provides unmanaged routines for application installers to download redistributable components, like .NET or DirectX, during the setup process. Failure results in incomplete installations. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because Inetc Library DLL is tied to the NSIS runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Inetc library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Inetc Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Inetc library and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Inetc library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.